Hey everyone, no, it's been a while since I posted a video, but I've just been busy with life and getting the 240 painted. So this video is basically the process of all that, how the 240 went from looking like this to now this fully painted. I think it looks great. Wrap the hood vents. You guys that too. That was a little difficult. Stick around towards the end of the video. I'll do the whole walk around the car so you guys can kind of see in depth the paint. Here's the process. Check it out. And here we go. Get ready to enjoy some elevator music. Be sure to wear a mask when sanding. You don't want to inhale any of this stuff. Got a few dents I want to fill in. And before you guys ask, yes, I had help. I did not do this myself. The hood, believe it or not, is probably what I spent the most time on, sanding and trying to get it all smooth. It was pretty wavy when I picked it up. And here we are, all in the shop, getting ready to paint this thing. First got to grease it and clean it. Give it a nice little wash here. Get all the grease and stuff off. Then we're going to go ahead and blow dry it so we can hurry up and start taping things down. Taping off all the doors, the trunk, the engine bay, as you saw, and the windows. And now here come a few of the super satisfying shots. Here you go. Alright, now the back half of the car is done. Check it out. Check me out. Oh yeah. Looking good. And here it is, the final result. I think everything turned out real well. It did take a lot longer than I was expecting. There was just a lot more work that I was just unaware of. But let's get a close-up here on this paint. It does do like a nice color flip because in the shade or in the dark, it looks like a very dark red. But once the sun hits it, it totally changes the color. I was happy that I was able to put everything back together before track day, and here's a clip of that. If you liked the video, or even if you don't, please like and subscribe to help your boy out. Thanks.